it once again.
Hi guys, your girl Bella Sweet. Now today guys, I'm gonna tell you a secret, and please, may I beg you no do, no repeat it back, no talk it back, no chat it back, and no make me hear it back. Yeah, I'm here tell all of you this a secret here. Who want hear and who no want hear, me I tell you, but please, me I beg you just keep it just little tiny so. No tell nobody. Do. A Bella Sweet sister. No tell nobody. Me no want go hear back over Facebook. I no want go hear back over WhatsApp. I no want go hear back on Twitter. I no want go hear back on Instagram. You know. Me I want to know because if me hear it back, remember see me tell you the secret, you know. I me no want to spread the secret. Just keep it right just over YouTube. When me say keep it right just over YouTube, guess what? Put up on your ears a little closer, let me tell you. Guys, guess what? Please. You see me if you hide it, me if you whisper it, because me not want unai house hear the secret, so me if you go so, because me not want to hear the secret now, you know. Me if you hide the secret, we. Yes. I bet you never tell me why secret. Who can guess? 1, 6, 5, or 7, or 10? Who can guess? Guys, me say me a look, me a look, me a look, me a look. Who me fi tell the secret to? Because too much of uno a look. You see all the one over there, so she no stop look. And fear ears cock out. We out so she well want hear the business. Love business, you see? Them a people love business bad. Uno well want hear me secret. Me soon, you know, watch her does not. Me see you. Hey, you over there, so stop it and wait. And me say me I tell them the secret. I never want to ask me. So stop it. Secret is secret. And me first say me I tell you no. Yes, and me did say it. I never want to ask. And me say it. Watch the one day. I want to go tell Facebook, you know, me see me now. Watch the one day over there, sir. Watch him. Pem. See Pem in a corner there. A Pem want to get me secret. Hey, you Pem. Me I warn you. See if me ever hear me secret over Facebook when me tell them. This is a secret here. I want big secret me I gonna reveal now, guys. You better trust me, you know. Trust me. You better like that secret here. You better subscribe to that secret here. You better share that secret here. Share it everywhere. I joke me, I make don't share it. You see my face, me not laugh. Look on my face if me laugh. See it there? You see me laugh? Me not laugh. Me serious bad. Bad. How are you today, be? Make me see, Don't talk. Serious. How are you today, be? Oh, a Sunday, so no can't tell no lie. You can't tell no lie. You promise because today is Sunday, so you can't lie. Yes, I catch you. You can't lie upon the Sabbath. Yes, you can't lie. You have to be truthful to yourself. I catch you. Yes, you see all the one they run there, so watching bright light. You know, so peeping in love business, bright light, love business, man. Let me just block him out. Yeah, man. Tune up. Watch him again. I try peep. Steer on the back. So where am I go? Love people business, you see, man. Like I never miss me. I go. No, me say me I tell them the secret. Only ever ask me. So now if you run so for hear the secret and I push up on your head so like a blackhead. I want to pluck out. Relax, man. Calm down. It's summer hot. We attend the summer hot. I no love eat. Jesus. Me never see one star people love business. So our tell me now. That the one that he can't wait. Watching my people. Lad. Brighty. Wait now. Me I go tell you now. Me almost reached to the secret. Woo. When this a secret that pop out, please me I beg you. Keep it whole. Keep it. Remember me say, you know feel like, subscribe and share it. Don't keep it. Because you know normal. Remember me say if you like, subscribe and share the secret. Comments if you want to. You know funny. comments because it's a secret and not funny. It too much. And I say, guys, it's secret. It a bother me. It a bother me. It a bother me. It a bother me. It a burn me, you know. Me say it a burn me. Me say me can't keep it to myself, man. I swear. All the time I try, me can't keep it. Me don't know what else we do. Me have to let it out. Me I take it off of my chest today. Me I take it off. Make me cool down, little guys. Me have to cool down because the secret here. Please, guys, I'm gonna pray for me. You hear? Please, before me even reveal, me I beg little prayer. Brighty not every minute. Brighty, watch him, try pushing. Just block him out, the man. Stay over there, so you fi stay. You know you keep on pushing. I gonna pop out in head so you blackhead you. I'm gonna pulp you out, guys. Me say secret hot, me I feel cool it down. Too hot. Hotty, man. Wait no. You want to come out, so wait no. You don't hear me say wait a little bit no. Just a little bit. Hiya. Brighty again. Guys, put up on your ears now. Close. Yes. Me don't know how someone will go take that secret here. Because trust me. Brighty, wait no, man. I want to Brighty. Sure. Let me cool on the crew, guys. Me have to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want me to count again. 0, 1, 6, 8, 2, 9, 10. Yes, that's how we count. Yeah. 0, 1, 6, 8, 2, 9, 10. Yeah. Also, when I got Miss Zelda basic school, she teach me to count. So if you want done quicker, everybody, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1. No, 0, 2, 6, 8, 10. Yes, that's what Miss Zelda teach me. That's why me count. Me done quicker, everybody, when me count to 10. Yeah, man. 3 star 4 step and me reach right at 10. Me now wait for nobody, you know, because 10 easy. Yeah, easy. Yeah, some people bright that again, you know. I try to come in, you know, on the business, so yo, I'm not gonna pray for him. Love business, my lashy tongue. Me know see a sign stay. But guys, me tell you say me have one secret. Me say please, me I beg you no do. You see all that one day over there, so me don't know if it called she business, love business, but please, me say guys, you see this a business there? Me I go tell you. It a boil down. Me say heat upon me and the business want come out. The secret want come out and the heat upon me and everybody over there. So over yes over there. So what's up? Hey, Facebook. Hey, watch him over Twitter. Hey, could him over Twitter. Could they look how them a look. They will want business, you see. Not to remember what, not to mention status at that love business. Everybody does a what so. When me say me go tell you, me go tell you relax. Look at me now. Look good. Relax. Take nice deep breath. Breathe in calm and breathe out stress. And relax now. It's time to reveal the secret. Let me hear your drum roll and give. Go secret go. Wait, I catch you now. You no think when I go tell no secret, you know, no think say no catch me. Brighty does a peep it, black Brighty. I catch you. You see you? I catch you right there. Watch Lucretia. She ready for the secret. I have it for you right now. Guys, guess what? Guess what now? Yes, the secret ready for reveal. You know, me say, me stand up in front of the mirror. And when me look on the almanac, me age come off. Me I get old. Yes, me I get old. Me I get old, guys. Oh. But remember, if you not tell nobody, I'm telling them my secret. Yeah. Please keep me secret from me. Me I get old. Yes, guys. Me see it. Panic all me not me age gone. All me I look fit. Me can't find it back. Me say me count from back to front and from front to back, from middle to the end and from the middle to the first, and me can't find it back. It come off, guys. It gone. You know, you have to worship your ears when you're on the almanac because right now it gone, guys. I mean, so me I get old, guys. Yes, me I get old. Me see it. See that? The secret gone now. Me know you know, but please me I beg you now. Like, subscribe, but don't share the secret, yeah. Your girl Bella Sweet, me say so.